Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of utilize. Use it in a practical and efficient way. For example, vitamin C helps your body utilize the iron present in your diet. American pronunciation. Utilize. Utilize. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Utilize. Say. Utilize. Utilize means make practical and effective use of. Utilize. Utilize. Utilize origin. In the early 19th century, from French utilizer, Italian utilizar, and from utile see utile. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Consulting psychiatrists were utilized in conjunction with the in-home treatment. Now, repeat after me. Consulting psychiatrists were utilized in conjunction with the in-home treatment. The second practice. After the war, he utilized this fiction to present himself as politically guiltless. Now, repeat after me. After the war, he utilized this fiction to present himself as politically guiltless.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.